sold the caravan. Right, now we're in the Daintree rainforest, and this is the air walk. Hey buddy. We've just climbed 112 steps and we're 23 metres above the ground level on top of this tower, looking over the oldest rainforest in the world, the Daintree. And it's raining. Oh, that's what you get in a rainforest. This looks like it's a good spot for a bit of phone signal. Hey! We've just come to have a look at the Daintree tea farm, and it's closed, but I presume that this is a tea crop. I haven't seen tea before, but it must be it. There's a fair bit of it. Here we are, we found ourselves in a banana plantation.
Isabel, Joel.
Yeah, good.
Isabel.
When we got to Cairns 10 years ago, we had 100 mil of rain in one night. I just poured through the camper trailer. We've just arrived in Cairns. Beautiful. Mud. This is Port Douglas. We're at the lookout, the Sunshine State, Queensland. What a glorious day. Can you see the beach? Okay, this little church I remember from last time I was in Port Douglas. I'm not a religious person, but I remember it because it's a pretty little church with all the palm trees around it, right next to the ocean. Port Douglas has become a bit of a huge town with lots of shopping and coffee shops and eateries, and it's a resort style town where people come for holidays and do that sort of thing if that's what you're into. And just over the back, I'm not sure what that building is. It's on stumps, sort of going into the ocean. It's a bit of a crappy day today, and just seen a massive quicksilver boat heading out to the Great Barrier Reef. Good luck to them, because you won't be able to see much today. And we're off on the Sky Rail.
Last minute decision.
Yep, last minute decision. It's nice and sunny.
Up we go.
It's actually quite fast.
I carry my friend everywhere in
Gee.
case I get scared.
Gee, we're high up now, aren't we?
Very high up.
Is this fun?
Oh, look,
I
you see
got
all the
crab.
crabs over there.
Oh, yeah, Isabel's got a crab friend.
Are you happy now, Joel? It was a bit daunting at first, wasn't it?
We can see the ocean.
You can see Cairns over
Cairns. So you can see Melbourne over there. So we're at the next stop. These things are funny when you take off. It's like a jet plane. the G-force. Go! Now we have a bit of a bird's eye view of Barron Falls, and just in here is a train that also goes up and back. We couldn't get on the return train because it was booked out today, unfortunately.
This is cool. Here we go up again. Bit gloomy that way. Sunny that way.
Happy Knackers.
Goodbye, Cairns.
It's one thing we like about Queensland. We can pull up and get some bananas off the side of the road.
Yeah, I did.
Oh no, we do have it. Yeah, we do have it. Yeah, no, I think
Looks like a path out of a video game.
It's like the Bloomfield track, like a foot version.
Steep.
Oh my god.
It's steep.
Careful, Isabel. Ready?
Sugarcane just to show you how big it is. It's everywhere here. We're in Babinda, and last year this place got the highest rainfall in all of Australia, so it's very wet. It grows everywhere. And just behind us is the second highest mountain in Queensland. I forget its name, I'll have to put it in.
Yeah.
Look at this little bit of paradise. This is our next stop down from Cairns. It's called the Babinda Rainforest and Alpaca Farm. $20 a night. We've got, yeah, that's where we're staying over there. There's heaps of alpacas and chooks. And just over the back here we've got a rainforest with a little river running through there and a little swimming hole. $20 a night. This is a good spot. I don't know if you can see, but the owner's over there in a little cart picking up the alpaca poo with a vacuum cleaner and a generator. We're now directly just out the back of this property we're staying at. It has been raining all night. I did say it was the wettest place in Australia. We've got ourselves a little creek, swimming hole. You can jump in there, it's crocodile free. Got a nice little river. And we're straight into the rainforest. So I've set up various walks through the rainforest. They've even labelled all the different types of trees. Just out the back of their property. What a piece of paradise. I wonder how much they paid for this. Oh, the mosquitoes are thick. We were driving past Gordonvale and we seen a sign that said Cane Toad World. This is probably not what I was expecting, but it's just a playground with little cane toad featured things and a bit of the history of how the cane toad got to Australia.
I'm bored up here.
We've got someone on top of the snake. See? It's got little cane toads. Yeah, thanks for joining us on our episode on the Cairns and the Daintree area. We had a fair few rainy days, but hopefully that's improving soon. Join us on our next episode as we head south. We have no real plans at the moment, but that's the way we like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.